Hey everybody, Josh Heats here. This is not a video that I'm in particular wanting to make, but it is what it is. I got reached out by a fan, Joe Michael Sweet. This video is for you. Wow, this is interesting. We're doing the big pickle, sour sis. That wasn't a bite, that was just a smell. We're probably gonna be like, we're gonna try to do this. I just ate dinner, so that's my excuse. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Oh, this is not gonna be fun. Juice and all. I ain't no baby. And I feel like I have to go to the bathroom now. So crap. Alright, let's just dive into it. 1 minute. 3, 2. Well, actually, wait. I'll wait 5 seconds till the minute mark, and then I'll go ahead and dive into it. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's gross. No big pickle guy. Oh. Yeah, we're screwed. This is disgusting. Alright, so one bite took 30 seconds. I am sick. I'm gonna throw up. One more bite, halfway. Halfway done. In a minute. It's better than was. I guess I'll try to finish. Well, it's not very good. I think I made it further than Wes. It's about 2 inches. I don't know. This is for Wes, and also this is not Mountain Dew. Fun fact. Special mention to Wes for getting me this. I'm actually allergic to pickles. As you guys didn't know, my throat swells up. So, thank you, Joe Sweet. Thank you, Wes Arnold. Bye.